I'm being dragged for
I'm
taking
not even gonna
a video with Mawelo. Mind you, I'm just a
insulting
fan.
me for Mawelele. Like, I'm just a fan. There's a video of me when Mawelele came to Free State, Botshabelo Manchu in, and now people are busy commenting on a video where I'm with Mawelele, telling me, hey, I'm not better than Naledi and whatsoever. Who said I want to be better than Naledi? Who said that? People have been commenting, Oksalayo, hey, Unaledi what? Ningena phi mina? Where do I enter? Because for the record, I'm also a fan of Naledi. But their relationship has nothing to do with me. As I was saying, their relationship has nothing to do with me. Neither of you guys. Their breakup has nothing to do with me. Where do I enter? Like, make me understand. Am I wrong for taking a video with Mawelele? Am I wrong for taking a picture with Mawelele? I'm a fan and I'm always gonna be a fan. So if you have a problem with that, go fuck yourself. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys that video. I deleted those comments, some of them. But then I'm tired of deleting those comments. I don't understand why people are coming for me as if I'm the cause of their breakup. Mawelele doesn't even know me. Maybe he even forgot that he met me. And now people are dragging me. For what? For what? For being a fan and for taking a video. Like, really? You all need to grow up. People break up and move on. Like, really? No, guys. You can't do that. You're not gonna make me feel bad for being a fan. Like, really. Ebile, for that. Gizoba Romeo. When Juliet. Fuck you all. Motherfuckers.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Umntwana leligama lakhe kungiqhamile lapha ku TikTok uyakhala for being dragged ngemva kokuthi athathe ivideo analobi kaTanzania naNaledi Aphiwe uMawelele. So Mawelele and Naledi Aphiwe announced their breakup last week on a live video. Lo wende abantu abaningi bamdrag uMawelele for using uAphiwe ukuthi athole ini ifame. Also people are saying ukuthi vele kusho ukuthi bekangamthanda kuAphiwe from the first place, just he wanted to be known and he wanted ukuthi abe famous. So this lady uCamelia uthathe video naMawelele wayeposta lapha ku TikTok, and people were dragging the girl for dating uMawelele. People were saying ukuthi ujula naMawelele njani aqeda kuhlukana naAphiwe. Some were even saying ukuthi when I show you are the reason why uMawelele broke up with Naledi Aphiwe. So the girl here was just saying ukuthi guys, mina naMawelele we are not dating, angimati, and I'm just a fan nje nangiqale ukuthatha i-video wavuma. So I don't understand why you guys are dragging me loku ningibhesha nithi mina ngedata naMawelele. But le video guys iyakhombisa ukuthi lo girl uqhamuke nefoni waqala ukuthatha i-video wavuma Mawelele and waze wambingela. So for people to drag the girl, I really think ukuthi it's not fair ngoba vele abantu be-social media nkosi yami niyakhuluma. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.